What's up? This is Justin, Mr. CMB, and I'm back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, subscribing, sharing the channel. Look, I want to hop right into this subject. Look, wearing multiple hats when you're starting a business, especially in real estate. What you guys have to realize, if you don't have a lot of capital and a lot of upfront money, which, when I started, I didn't, you're going to have to wear multiple hats. And the key thing, there's a good thing about this, because one, you're going to learn a lot of foundational skills that you're going to need to learn. And when you grow, because a lot of people try to start from ground up, and then they always try to go up here fast, and then they either crash and burn, or things don't work out, or they run out of money if they did start with money, because they didn't acquire foundational skills. And the most important thing is getting that foundation right, but working yourself out of that. Because one of the good things about it is that you'll be able to see who can actually do that job that you're offloading, which is extremely important, because then you know if someone's slacking, if they're actually doing a job right, if they're doing a job at all. You're not going to know these things. So foundational skills is good, but the problem is most people don't know when to actually multiply themselves. Because if you actually are doing everything, and you could do everything inefficiently, and then you're wound up working 40, 50, 60 hours a week, not making no progress, not making money. And to be honest with you, this is like, I would say about like 85% of entrepreneurs, and this is just not in real estate, but in everything. They're doing a lot of things, doing a lot of work, and it's mostly inefficient, and it's mostly not working, and they're not making no money because they don't have foundational skills. What are the foundational skills? Sales, marketing, tracking your metrics. 3 things you need to learn. Sales. Why is sales important? Sales is what brings money in the door, and you need to be bringing money in the door every single day, or at least progressively moving towards that every single day. Without sales, you don't have a business. And how do you get sales? By offering and serving people. Number 2, marketing. Marketing is just not throwing up an ad or just posting an ad on somewhere online or just out in the physical world. It's much more than that. You have ad copy. That's the things you need to go through. Ad copy. You need the marketing skill. What does the video and what does the text actually look like? These are things that you actually need to do. Third thing is systems and tracking your metrics. If you don't track your metrics, you're never going to know what's going on. You know why most people don't hit their ideal weight goals or their ideal body that whatever it is they're going for? It's because simply they don't track their metrics. Like, I'm pretty sure you've been to a gym, or maybe you've been to a gym and you've seen the same people in there for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, on and off, and they never actually make any type of progress. It's because they're not tracking anything. They don't have a specific program that they're on, and they're not, most importantly, tracking their diet. It's the boring stuff. But when you're tracking the metrics, and let's say you have a goal, and let's say you know exactly the steps of the goal, and maybe I'll do a real deep dive breakdown of how you can achieve any goal and how it's actually easy. It's just boring. So if you know you need to have like 3,000 calories a day, and if you know these meals and ingredients, and it's broken down to 3,000 calories a day, and you actually have someone to prepare it, or you're waking up early to prepare this for yourself, or once or twice a week, you schedule time in your calendar to prepare those meals while having a program that's maybe like 4 or 5 days a week. And during that program, you have to do that at, like, let's say 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning, or maybe for some of you guys, 7 p.m. to like 8:30 p.m. or 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And you schedule those workouts in, you schedule those times to prepare your food, or you pay for someone to prepare those food for those 300 calories. And let's say that program is like 8 weeks. There is no way you can fail, because as long as you follow the plan, it's going to work. And that's exactly how you need to run your business. And that's exactly how you can actually grow. But I wanted to make this video real quick just to break it down for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. It's Justin. I'm out. Peace.